strange presence in this house. You've been a long winter. I felt a presence in the worktops. And I knew I needed to do something about it. Had my eyes deceived me? A vision appeared before me and told me I needed a savior.
Save me!
I took my gun and my scraper, and I took away the film. But what lay underneath horrified me, scarred me to this day. How could I fix this? I saw a crack, and using the powers of my mind, I summoned some glue, and I clamped it together and hoped and prayed that it would dry and stay together. I took some filler and I filled in every little crack I could see. I removed the clamps and I hoped that it would hold. I took out my trusty sidearm and I powered her up to full. I started to sand it down using 60 grit paper. I gotta get the top off it, bring it back to the smooth glory that it once was. I knew this wasn't gonna be easy. The years and layers of dirt and mold, they were difficult to get off, but I kept on going. I kept on sanding, as I knew that one day the glory would return. I switched up to 80 grit, started to smooth it down, got most of that mold off, and I just kept on going. Minutes turned to hours, hours turned to days. I got through it, and I moved up again to 120 grit. Get a nice smooth surface going there. Just sand over evenly. And get everything looking and feeling right. Once I was happy with the sanding, I started to brush on a coat of oil, start getting the protection on, start making it look all nice and pretty. The next day I awoke. I could feel a shift in the wind, a smooth presence. Evil had been removed. I gave it a light rubbing with some extra fine sandpaper. I managed to give it a good old clean before giving it another coat of oil. That's the thing with this oil. 2 coats is enough. Day turned to night. The night turned to day.
Tomorrow.
And it was looking smooth. A hell of a lot better than it had been. I took out my silicone gun and I gave that sink of fresh silicone in so fine. I was happy with the progress. Everything was looking silky smooth. I thought I was done, but then realization struck me.
You're not finished yet.